Hello and welcome once again. Team Hatoful, sort of, a subset of Team Hatoful. We're up to 3 members now. Back at doing the latest in the Sigmund series. This is a bird story.
Yeah, it's great to have another story about birds.
You can't just seem to get away from them, huh?
With me is Elijah, as always, my partner in crime whenever we're doing Sigmund Feels. And we also brought along David N., who has some experience having his heart ripped out by birds.
Yeah, and now I'm going to be feeling Sigmund's.
One of us. One of us.
So, from what I understand, I haven't actually played this game before, but I'm told it's a short little thing. And it's also mostly silent. There isn't a lot of dialogue or lines or anything like that, so it's just going to be us bantering as I play the game. I don't think there's going to be too many lines to read, but, you know, it'll be fun. We'll be hanging out and enjoying a story about birds. Shall we go?
Yes, because Half a Boyfriend was definitely enjoyable.
Yeah, this has never gone wrong before.
You know, The Mirror Lied, which is another Freebird Games game, which Eli actually did a playthrough of that on his own. I believe that's, well, it's not, but we're headcanoning it's a prequel to Hatoful Boyfriend. Anyway, let's go. A bird story!
Yeah, that was special. Oh, what?
Okay, so we're selecting a scenario here?
Okay. So I've got... Okay, so I'm choosing which chapter I want to do. I've got space, escape, and enter, and arrow keys. Okay.
You can't go up and down.
Okay, so enter.
Is that a paper plane, paper bird he's got?
Yeah.
I think it's a paper plane. Yes,
Yeah, there
it's
it
a
goes.
paper plane. Well, already I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm interested.
That isn't one of the characters from the main game, is it? Is this someone else?
I am told that this is kind of a side story that's not related to the main series yet, but this character is going to end up being the patient in Finding Paradise when that comes out.
Okay. Look at that Rubik's Cube duvet. For people who want to lie awake all night. Twisting and turning.
I see what you did there.
Oh, hey, this is familiar.
Yeah, it's same tile set, I guess. It's a really good tile set is why. One of the things I really loved about To the Moon, it's an RPG Maker game. I think it's RPG Maker XP, but
Yeah, the
obviously...
only RPG Maker XP game that was ever finished.
Is that true?
But it's got custom assets, obviously, custom music, custom tile sets, custom everything, and it's just a beautiful game.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, is that clock gonna melt anytime soon, or?
Oh.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, you've shaken off your shadow.
Okay, Oh.
So, welcome to Magic Hand.
I guess that does fit.
We've got some lovely backwards music going along with the backwards walking here.
Oh, you're gonna go into a huge paper airplane.
Oh, okay.
That's not gonna hold your weight.
It's
Fine.
It's a dream. I'm sure it'll hold your weight in a dream. I once had a dream where, like, I was out of Oreos and needed to go get more, so I went to the Oreo mine in my backyard with, like, a pickaxe to go mine some more. So you know what? Dreams aren't constrained by your human logic.
So is this you controlling this just now?
Yes, I am on keyboard controls right now,
And okay.
which are sort of responsive. When I was holding left, I was walking left backwards, but then I held right, and my character continued to walk left backwards, so I don't know.
Oh. Okay.
Ryder! And you, Johnny?
Oh, Diego!
You know what? I was sobbing too much to actually say that line for real in the main game, so this is my chance to redeem myself. Now that there actually isn't a line to read, but shush.
I'm pretty sure that was Joey's line. Johnny's was an astronaut.
Like I said, shush.
So what do we have? We have a classroom. We've got sort of dreaming about squirrels running around instead.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Bye.
uh-oh. And that's a good way to get in trouble.
well, the square root of 1764 equals cat.
Oh my god. Okay.
Dun 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 dun.
From what I can imagine, hitting the teacher with a paper airplane is kind of a big deal. I'm probably on my way to the principal's office now.
But there's no evidence that he threw it, apart from that he's the only corporeal child in the classroom.
Well, it was his plane.
I mean, he didn't put his signature on it, did he?
It might have been made out of his homework or something. I don't know.
I never understood this, where they send the kids outside the classroom. Like, how are they supposed to learn now? They're there to learn. Why are you doing that? It doesn't make sense to me.
One time I swung a chair at a kid and got sent to the...
Whoa! That needs a
Were you replicating WrestleMania or something?
I was very young and had been picked on one too many times.
Was this the teacher in the corner diving off the desk with a bin?
And anyway, the point of this story is then I was sent to the library to watch... I was sent to the library to do worksheets for the rest of the day, but this just happened to be the day that all the other classes were like coming in one by one to watch some video on like sealants, I think, because they wanted everyone to get those. So I ended up seeing that...
Did you say sealants?
Dental sealants.
A video on dental sealants. Okay,
Yes.
that sounds enthralling.
Well, especially when you got to see it like 10 times in a row, because I was just there in the corner all day where all the other classes were coming in and out. Anyway, my point of this was it was actually a better day than like staying in the class would have been, because I hated that class.
And any day is better than that. Dental. What kind of school did you go to? Were you a specialist dental school?
That's...
Why was there a video in dental sealants?
Because
Is my question.
Because they were giving dental sealants to all the kids.
What is a dental sealant?
I don't even know what that is.
That's where they, like, the back teeth, like the very back ones, they put, like,
Wisdom teeth?
No, well, okay, not that far back. Like, the ones next to those. They,
Okay.
they fill those up with, like, a sealant, I guess, so that you can't get crud trapped in there, like cavities and stuff.
Okay.
Don't knock it, it works. Anyway, so, where are we now? So I actually have control now, so...
Yeah, okay.
I think you were supposed to follow those kids to the right.
Yeah,
Yes.
we're late to the principal's office now.
Okay, and now we are walking.
Okay.
But why did he stop for a second to have an ellipse?
Every time I try walking, I get interrupted by something. Okay, well, I mean, walk this time? Sort of? Okay, I'm going now.
Mm-hmm.
Are you... Is the little... Is it holding something? There's trees.
Okay. This definitely isn't the school I went to.
You're absorbing their souls as you go through them.
Oh god, it's like the movie theater all over again. You're sending them to the Shadow Realm.
That was fun, by the way.
Oh, hang on, we've got encroaching shadows. Or maybe you're just at the edge of the map.
Maybe I'm not supposed
Or
to
the
go that
spirit
far.
world.
So what am I looking for here?
You're on
Swallow more souls. Oh no.
Is that not you on the seesaw?
Oh, there we go. Yeah, good catch.
Okay.
Thank you. I would have been stuck there for
that could
ages.
have gone on for a while.
It's just sad.
Okay. So now what?
I think we're out of ideas now. You're on.
Oh,
Oh, there
we
he is.
go. No, I'm just looking for myself is all. Now I'm over here.
Okay, leave class, leave school, go into the woods, be eaten by a wolf.
So, if there's anything I've learned from watching Eli's Mirror Lied playthrough and now this, it's that Freebird Games side story games, the little miniature one-off ones, are kind of weird.
They are really weird. Like, why is Birdie eating all the continents? Okay. Why isn't mice?
Oh, what was that shine there?
There's a shine where?
Oh, that was just cluing me into the fact that I could interact with that switch, probably.
Oh.
So let's, So am I still going to the principal's office, or...?
Yeah, in the next town over.
Are we just skipping school? Like, nah, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Kind of forgot, that early in life that wasn't an option. Oh.
That was...
Yeah, that's not good.
The lights just, but
Okay. This is...
Yes, the door on the very end, the furthest away from the exit. That's always safe.
Okay, so now here we are... Am I home now? Is that what happened?
No.
Why do I live in Silent Hill?